Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing my March favorites, as you must have told by the title. So without making this introduction very long, let's just begin with the video. So the first category that I want to discuss is my personal favorite category, which is food. And the first thing that I have is very unhealthy. It is the Ching's instant noodles. Now, ever since Maggi was banned, my mom did not let us buy Maggi at all. अभी थोड़ा सा हम लोगों ने एक दो पैकेट खरीदना शुरू किया है, but since then Maggi was like completely banned at our place, and since that time we tried a lot of new noodles, but I think this one is my favorite. So if you want to experiment a little bit in the instant noodle market, then I think Ching's is a great option that you can go for. The second item in this category is chamomile tea. This is the chamomile tea that I'm using currently. It's by Organic India and it's in the flavor tulsi, honey and chamomile. Now to be honest, I'm looking for a chamomile tea which only has like chamomile in it and not tulsi, honey and all of other things. But if I talk about this particular product, then it's really nice. The ingredients are really nice and simple, and chamomile tea is so great for like having a good night's sleep. If you're someone who's struggling with their night's sleep and their sleep cycle and everything, try having chamomile tea. It really calms you down, it takes away all the stress, and it's really great for your nighttime routine. If you are into the whole Victorian vibe of just sipping on tea with your book and just relaxing like that, then you're really going to enjoy chamomile tea. Take my word for it. Now the second category that we have is the category of clothes. So in March I have worn this one particular clothing the entire time, and when I tell you the entire time, like 15 days out of the 31 days that March has, I wore this particular piece of clothing only, which is my pair of ripped jeans. It's got really nice and subtle rips, so it does not even look very informal, and at the ankle it has this really cute fringe detailing which looks really nice. So even if you don't put a lot of effort into your outfit, it will look like you have done a lot since there's so much detail on this pair of clothing. I love to pair my ripped jeans with kurta, the entire Indo-Western vibe. I live for it completely. So I got this one from the store called Big C in Sarojini Nagar. I got this a long time back when I was in my first year of college. Even before that, when I was like beginning my college shopping, that is when I got this, and now I have my farewell in a few weeks, so you can tell that the quality is pretty great. The next category is the entertainment category, wherein I am going to tell you my favorite show. So recently I have been rewatching this show called You. I think a lot of you must have watched it because it came out a long time back, but I have this habit of rewatching shows. So I was rewatching You and I discovered that I still love this show so much. If you haven't watched it, it's like the protagonist is a stalker and he stalks on this girl that he says that he loves, but it's like a crooked definition of love, and the protagonist does some really wrong things, but you really don't know कि मैं इसको पसंद करूँ या मैं इसको hate करूँ, because he's so charming at one end and he does these good things, but at the other end he's also doing really bad things. So it's like a really mind-boggling series, and I personally really enjoy it. I personally really enjoy such dark series. So yeah, if you're into stuff like that, then please make sure that you watch that series, or just check it out, check the trailers, and maybe you might like it too. Then other than that, I've also been listening to a lot of lo-fi music these days. I think lo-fi music is like so underrated. Lo-fi music and slowed and reverbed music, it's just so amazing. I don't know why people don't talk about it. It's like really underrated, I feel. It gives this nice new touch to your favorite old songs. It also doesn't ruin them like a lot of other artists these days are ruining songs by making remixes of them. If you haven't heard lo-fi songs yet, or if you haven't really purposely heard lo-fi songs yet, I'm going to link some of my favorites in the description box below so you can check those out. So the fourth category is the skincare category. Now since we entered March, it is so hot in Delhi thanks to global warming, and thanks to a lot of people who don't understand that global warming is very much real. We have successfully crossed about 40 degrees in the month of March itself. So it's very important to take care of your skin when the sun is literally on top of your heads. And for that exact same purpose, I have this sunscreen. It's from the company La Shield and it's in SPF 40. This is a really nice sunscreen if you are someone who has acne. I personally have acne and I've tried a lot of sunscreen and they clog your pores, और फिर उससे situation बहुत ज़्यादा खराब हो जाती है. And it is also non-comedogenic, so you can really try this out if you are someone who has acne and you're looking for a great sunscreen. If you don't have acne, then also this is a nice sunscreen. It does not leave a white cast or anything like that, and it does the job. It protects you from the sun. It's got an SPF of 40, and it also has PA triple plus, so it protects you from UVA and UVB. So yeah, if you're a boy or a girl, it does not really matter what gender you are, boy, girl, or even non-binary for that matter, you should use a sunscreen. The fifth category that I have is my favorite creators category. So for the month of March, I've really been binging on this channel called Ria Gogoi. Actually, the person is called Ria Gogoi and she's named the channel after herself, just like I have. She has been making a lot of commentary videos recently, and she also does like some really nice cool vlogs. You know, it's not really about the content. When you're watching her, it's really about the person that she is. I think she is naturally really funny, and she's just very sweet, and the stuff she does is really funny. I really enjoy watching her. Her channel does not give me education, but I'm not here to take education from everyone, and that's completely fine. Her channel provides me with entertainment and makes me happy, and it keeps my mental health at a good place, because I just feel that she's amazing. She's a female commentary creator, one of the first few actually in the country. So I'm really glad that being a female, she has started something that females usually don't do. Yeah, other than that, you can just check out her channel. I personally really enjoy it, and I think you're going to enjoy it too if you're someone who really likes watching entertainment stuff. Now the final category is the makeup category. I know a lot of people might not want to see this category, but I know that a few of you might want to see it, and that is why I'm here. So for this category, I have this lipstick by Nykaa. It's I don't know what range this is, but I'll link it in the description. It is in the shade 04 Peaches and Cream. I remember I bought this particular shade when I was in class 12th for my farewell. The first lipstick that I bought for myself was back then. So it is a nice peach color. I'm wearing this right now if you're wondering about the swatch, and I have been hooked ever since. This is the second time that I've repurchased this entire lipstick. I finished the entire bullet of the previous lipstick and I have got a new one, so you know that it's really nice and how much I enjoy using it. So if you're someone who's really into coral or nude lipsticks, then this is a great pick and you can check it out if it suits your needs. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, more of my content, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.